Hi ladies, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser if you're new here. If you're not new, then welcome back. Today I'm showing you my natural hair wash day routine because a lot of you ask me all the time. This was the beginning of my natural hair journey, this one right now. So this was, I think, March 2016. My hair was relaxed. It was natural before and then I relaxed it. I thought it would be easier, but then it wasn't because my hair started breaking. So I decided to big chop in March of 2016. And then in 2018, the beginning, that's really when I didn't make like a conscious decision to start growing it. I just did. And then April 2018, that's when I uploaded my first video here on this channel. So today I just want to show you guys how I wash my hair and why I wash my hair like this. This is basically how I take care of my hair. So when you guys ask me for a routine or for like anything complicated, I really don't. So to wash my hair in this video, I am using OC hair products. I'm using their shampoo and their conditioner. I always tell you that I really don't have any favorite hair products. It's the truth. I don't have any brand that like I must use this brand or anything like that. There's no such thing for me. I am a sucker for packaging. So when I go to the store and the packaging looks good, I will try it if I want to. So here right now, I have wet my hair and I am going in with the OC shampoo. And I like the way this shampoo lathers. To be honest, I feel like I'm always picking this shampoo a lot. If there's nothing new in the store that I'd like to try, I always go for the OC shampoo. So if you have access to it, I would definitely recommend that you try it if you have access to it. I always try to insist to you guys or ladies, I always try to insist to you that the best hair products are the ones that you can find easily. If you have to buy products that are out of your budget, you're not going to buy them often. If you have to order in products from I don't know where, it's really not the most convenient or the best product for you to be using. The best product for you to use are the ones that you have access to easily and they fit into your budget easily. So if I'm using this and you can't find it, please don't use it. Go to the supermarket that is local to you and just try the different shampoos and conditioners that they have. Don't be afraid to try different things with your hair. And just because something doesn't work for someone else doesn't mean that it's not going to work for you. Now I'm going to go in with a conditioner. By the way, so just because I'm filming this video, I'm doing this out of the shower. For me, my hair routine, I do it all in the shower. So when I enter the shower, I shampoo my hair. And then after shampooing it, I add conditioner into it. And then I'll just put like, you know, the little bag that you put on your head, the shower cup. And then I'm going to wash the rest of my body. After doing that, I just rinse out the conditioner. I know other people usually like you go out of the bathtub or out of the bathroom and you leave the conditioner in for a long time. I only do that when I'm deep conditioning, which happens like every 2 weeks or once a month when I'm lazy. So, but regularly, this is what I do. And I do all this process, the shampooing and the conditioning in the shower. So by the time I'm leaving the shower, my hair is nicely cleaned, shampooed, and conditioned, and then I move on to the next steps of my hair. I'm going to give you a tip. If your hair is difficult to detangle, then you should detangle your hair when it has conditioner in it like this. Because conditioner gives a little bit of, well, it gives a lot of slip to your hair, so it makes it easier to detangle. I normally don't detangle my hair with conditioner in it. And that's just me. It works for me. So I hope when you're listening to this video, I'm not saying that what you do with your hair is wrong. I'm just telling you this is what I do and this is what works for me. When I decided to grow my hair in 2018, I knew that I could not go back to the stressful routines that I was doing because that's the reason I actually cut my hair. Because I was working full-time, going to school full-time, and taking care of my hair also seemed like a full-time job. And so one thing had to give. And honestly, I'm not going to give up my job or school, so I cut my hair instead. So 2018 was just going to be a different thing completely, making my hair routine as simple as possible. And that's what I did. And that's what I've been doing since then. So after I wash out the conditioner in my hair, I'm going in with a leave-in conditioner. This is from Amalise Beauty. I will leave their link down below if you want to check out their products. But again, my products change all the time. So when people ask me what product do you use to make your hair grow, there is really no one product that I can point out to. I can really just say that it's maintaining the hair routine that has made my hair grow, and because doing the hair routine makes sure my hair stays moisturized, I feel like that's what's making my hair grow. I wish I could say that this product is like a miracle worker, but that's not the case. And honestly, I've found that a lot of you, like when you ask me like, what products can I use to make my hair grow or to stop my hair from breaking, you're expecting that I'll say some miracle products. I wish there was. I wish I had invented that product so I can sell it. But I unfortunately cannot say any miracle products. All I can say is that hair grows consistently. So you have to maintain a consistent routine to taking care of your hair. Right now, I added a styling cream. It's also from Amalise Beauty, and I'll also leave a link down below if you want to check it out. But remember, this is not my staple product. I don't have any staple products. When this bottle is over, I will go to the supermarket and I'll buy whatever appeals to me. If I can't find something else that appeals to me, I might get the same product. If not, then I will just go in the closet because I have a lot of like different hair products, and I will just use whatever is there. You should not be afraid to experiment with your hair. I don't know if I've said this already, but you really just shouldn't. It's hair. It's going to grow. Just don't be too afraid. And then to end this process, I usually go in with oil. The oil that I'm showing you right now is a mixture of almond oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, olive oil. I think that's basically it. So I mix all those oils together and then I use them for my hair. I always include grapeseed oil because I usually like to blow dry my hair sometimes, or at least most of the time, after doing this routine. And then I style my hair however I want to. So if I didn't want to style my hair, I would have basically just pulled my hair into a bun at this point. But because I want to style my hair, I'm going to go on ahead and detangle my hair. The Denman brush that you can see here is my newest addition to my hair process, and honestly, I've been really loving it. So if you're looking for a good detangling brush, this Denman brush is actually really good. I never got the hype before, but honestly, it's a really good detangling brush. Another option is Tangle Tweezer. I've really liked using most of their brushes. I've tried, I think, 3 brushes and I've liked all of them. I will share a picture of my favorite of those brushes. The hand that you saw was probably my sister's hand. She's trying to annoy me. But as you can see, I section my hair into 4 sections and then I go and I start detangling each box. I divide each box into 3 detangling sections. Now, if you're wondering why I'm detangling my hair right now instead of detangling when it has conditioner in it, so first of all, I don't find it difficult to detangle my hair at this point. One of the reasons is because I know my natural hair. I know how tangled up it is, so I never expect this process to be easy or to be painless, but I take measures to make sure that this process is as easy as possible. If you can see how I started detangling my hair, I started at the top of my hair and then I work myself down towards the roots of my hair as I go. One tip, if you're going to a hair salon to get your hair done, one way to know that they know how to detangle, or at least how to style natural hair, is the way they're detangling your hair. If they start at the root and they just pull the comb through, run away. Or you can tell them, this is not how I do my hair. Do it this way instead. So as you can see, when I finish detangling a section, I just do a loose twist just to keep it away and so that I can continue on to the other sections. I'm going to repeat the process so that you can see how I do it. So I divide each box into 3 sections, and then when I'm detangling it, as you can see, I'm starting it from the top. And I mean, it looks like I'm being rough, but I'm really, it's not as rough as it looks like. And then I keep going down. The more detangles it become, and untangled, that's the word. The more untangled it becomes, then I go lower and I pull the brush through. So as you can see, it's not hard. By the way, the reason I put the products in my hair before I started detangling, the leave-in conditioner and the styling cream and the oil, is because those products also provide slip when I'm detangling my hair. And another thing to add, I actually did a little experiment. So I went to my cousins and I asked them how they think it's easy for me to detangle my hair versus how theirs is easy to detangle. And they all thought that my hair was much easier to detangle, but when you look at our hair textures, their curls are even looser than mine. So I don't really get it. I don't know if the videos make it look like for me it's so easy. It's not. I'm really just trying just as much as you ladies. So all I can say is really find a routine that works for you and stick to it consistently, and you will see wonders in 6 months of your hair. So after doing this, I actually went ahead and blow dried my hair. That is a whole different video that I'm going to share with you ladies on how I blow dry my hair. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please leave it linked. If you have any questions, please leave the comments down below. If you take care of your hair differently, then please leave your routine down below. And remember, just because I do it this way does not mean it's wrong. Yours might be different, so stick to it if it's working for you. I will see you on Wednesday. Have a lovely, lovely weekend. Bye.